What's up, everyone? This is Shul, aka Altcryptogems, and today I've got a video for you guys where I'll be analyzing the Bitcoin charts. We'll be talking about the Ethereum chart and the crypto total market cap without Ethereum and Bitcoin, where I'll be sharing my thoughts, what I think we're going to be seeing, and what my current targets are to keep an eye on. Now, before we start, be sure to follow me on Twitter. That's at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content and pretty much anything about crypto. And in the last market update video, we got 39 likes. Can we actually hit more than that, or at least the same amount? That will be epic. And also be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let's get started with the first chart. So first of all, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour time frame. Now, obviously, Bitcoin is the most important crypto coin there is right now, and it has been for pretty much since crypto has been started. So let's have a look what we've been seeing and what's been happening. Now, first of all, we've seen a price drop in around August 2023. So that's around a month ago. We were at around 29K. We traded at 29 and actually hit around 30K. But ever since the August of last month, we've been following going down. Right now, we have actually been forming a range, as you can see, with a range low and a range high. And the deviation high we've been seeing on the end of August, we peaked at around 28K and then dropped back into the range. And we have actually fallen down outside of the range, and the deviation low was up to around 25K. We then went back up again and have been trading inside the range. And just recently, a few days ago, we broke out of it and are now in a deviation high again. Now, we are currently trading within the break range high and the supply area, as you can see. And there are two possible scenarios which I think will happen. As you can see, we are already going down. And the question is, will we actually bounce on the range high and go back up to the supply and eventually break the supply and go on to the next one, which will be at around 29K as we had before? Or if we fail to bounce on the range high, then I see us going back inside the range and eventually retesting the demand area below the range low. That right now is my target. So what am I watching? I'm going to be watching whether we will actually hit that range high at 26.8 and whether we will be falling down or actually bounce back up. Now, the next chart we'll be looking at is the Ethereum chart. Now, Ethereum is obviously the king of altcoins, so it's very crucial to have a look at it as well, because usually the Ethereum chart determines the rest of the altcoins. Just a quick reminder, I will be posting these charts with the links in the description below, so if you want to have a closer look at my charts, be sure to do so. Now, pretty much the chart has been equal to Bitcoin. We've seen a massive drop in halfway August of this year. And ever since then, we've been forming a range and have been trading inside of this range. We've been seeing a deviation high and a deviation low, just like Bitcoin. The only difference, and that is a crucial sign, is that we are still trading within the range and actually going towards the demand area. And we have not broken out of the range high and have not reached the supply area yet. So this would mean that altcoins, because Ethereum is, like I said, the king of altcoins are currently weaker than Bitcoin. So what will we actually see? Either we hit into the demand zone, which we are doing right now as I'm recording this video, and we can see a bounce go up towards the supply area. And if we break this supply area, we will be going past the range high and up to a new supply area at around $1850. If we actually are not able to bounce up towards the supply, then I'd say we're going to be staying inside this demand area and eventually going towards the range low. And if we lose that range low, we will be hitting the lower demand area at around $1450. Now, finally, looking at the last chart, the total crypto market cap without Bitcoin and Ethereum. And let me do a quick reminder for you guys. If you're interested in trading with crypto, you want to get started with crypto, then right now my advice would be get started with Bybit. It's the #1 exchange right now, and they actually have a partnership going with me where you're getting a lot of deposit bonuses whenever you're depositing, and you're getting the best trading fees there are. So be sure to use the link in the description if you want to get started with crypto and want to open some longs and shorts and be trading crypto. Now, like I said, let's continue with the final chart, which is the total crypto market cap without Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this determines the entire market cap basically. As you can see, ever since July of this year, we've been trading in a downtrend and have been going down, down, down. And we have actually reached that downtrend, have actually broken out of it 2 days ago when we saw a minor pump happening. So what do I think is going to happen? We are currently hitting this area, which is a key level that I think we need to flip. We failed and hopefully we'll be trying it very soon again. The reason for that is If we actually flip this area, I'd say we will be seeing a bounce up and possibly going up outside of this downtrend. And that will mean alts will be flying and we'll be seeing a great alt season happening. If we actually are not able to flip this area, then I'd say we're going to be chopping and we're going to be consolidating for a while nothing is really happening and we're just going up and down. If we then eventually lose this level that we've been seeing before at around $306 billion, then I'd say we will be going down and altcoins will start to bleed very bad. We will actually see minus 80% of altcoins happening if that is the case. So what I'm watching right now is, can we actually flip the 330 billion US dollars area? If we do, I'd say we will going up and altcoins will be flying. If we do not, I'd say we're going in a choppy area until we either lose it and see some bleeding or we bounce back up towards this area. So that's my area to watch right now. So that's it for this quick market update video. Like I said, these are my charts and I will be posting them in the description. Be sure to follow me on @altcryptogems on Twitter and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this content. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys at the next one.